Let me show you how to make perfectly sunny side up eggs in a Hexclad pan without anything sticking. Let's go. Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about Hexclad and its non-stick capabilities. I've gotten a lot of inquiries recently about how to make the Hexclad even more non-stick, and I think one big thing that people are missing out on is preheating their pans. So what we're gonna do before we even start cooking is we're gonna get this to a medium-low heat and get that cast iron quality inside the pan to get hot. This will give us a better non-stick. And to show you guys how to do all of this, we're gonna make some beautiful sunny side up eggs on this beautiful non-stick Hexclad. Let's go. I already got this pan preheated, so it's nice and warm. When I hold my hand like this, you should be able to feel the heat from it. Now, when you're doing sunny side up eggs, you're cooking on the lowest setting as you want because you don't want any browning. We got the pan preheated. We're gonna get butter in here, and we're not gonna be shy with butter. Now, I see a lot of you home cooks being shy with fat. Don't be shy with fat, just use really good fat, and then you don't gotta be shy about anything. So now that we got all these bubbles going and kind of all the fat seeping into all the crevices, we're gonna go ahead and crack our egg. So we're just gonna hit it on a flat surface, pinch inside, break the shell, and we got a beautiful yolk right there. And that's it, guys. Look at this non-stickness. So whoever's messaging me telling me that the Hexclad stick to them, you're just using it badly. It is user error, not the quality. And you guys can see we're sliding these eggs around with just a little bit of butter inside of that. The biggest thing is that we preheated the pan. Once you preheat the pan, you get the non-stick qualities. Okay, got our lovely lid on there. We can turn off the heat, let it do its thing. It's gonna finish cooking. We're gonna plate up, and that's how we're gonna have these beautiful sunny side up eggs. Perfect every time in our Hexclad that is proven to be non-stick. So we have some beautiful Murray River salt. It has a nice taste of copper. It adds a really nice body to this. So don't be shy. Got some Murray River salt, little black pepper, and that's it. The egg whites are set. We have bare minimum browning here, and it is non-stick. I mean, I'm sliding this thing around like non-stick. So let's go ahead and plate this. And that is how you make perfect sunny side up eggs in a Hexclad pan without anything sticking like that. Look at this. All I gotta do is wipe it out and I'm ready to go again. Literally the best.